Tired of deleting emails one by one in Yahoo Mail? Learn how to select and delete hundreds at once in under a minute. I'll show you the exact steps. Sign in, navigate to your inbox, select all, and delete. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is head over to Yahoo Mail and sign in to your account. Just use your regular email address and password like you always do. Once you're logged in, you'll land right on your inbox by default. That's where we want to be. Now, if you have a specific folder that's especially messy, maybe your spam folder or a promotions folder, go ahead and click on that folder instead. But for most of us, the main inbox is where the clutter lives, so let's start there. Alright, here's where the magic starts to happen. Look up at the top of your email list, right above that first message. You'll see a small checkbox. Go ahead and click it. This will instantly select every email that's currently visible on your screen. So if you have 50 messages showing, all 50 get checked off. It's a huge time saver right out of the gate. But here's the really important part, and this is where people usually get stuck. That checkbox only selects what's on the page. If you have hundreds of emails, you're not going to scroll through 20 pages one by one. So after you click that checkbox, look for a yellow bar that appears near the top of the screen. It will say something like, "All conversations on this page are selected." And right next to that, you'll see a link that says "Select all conversations in this folder." Click that. And boom, now you've got every single email in that entire folder selected. Whether it's 50 emails or 5,000, they're all highlighted and ready to go. Once everything is selected, your next move is simple. Look for the trash bin icon. It's usually right above the email list. Click that icon. Yahoo might pop up a quick confirmation box just asking if you're sure you want to delete these messages. Go ahead and confirm. And just like that, all of those emails vanish from your inbox. Now, I always tell people to take one extra step after this. Go over to your trash folder on the left-hand sidebar. Click on it. You'll see all those emails sitting there. This is actually a safety net. If you accidentally deleted something important, you can still find it here and move it back to your inbox. So take a quick look. If everything looks good and you're sure you want these gone for good, you can permanently delete them. Just click the checkbox at the top of the trash folder. Then click the delete icon again. Some versions of Yahoo might give you an option to empty trash entirely. That will wipe everything out permanently. And that's it. From start to finish, you've gone from clicking on each individual email to cleaning out your entire inbox in just a few seconds. I've been using Yahoo Mail for years, and honestly, this one trick saves me hours every month. No more repetitive clicking, no more frustration. If you found this helpful, give the video a like. It really helps others find it too. And if you want more simple tips like this one, subscribe to the channel. I put out new guides every week to help you work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.